Welcome to the Beignet Corner with Emily.
Beignets. How you eat a beignet? You dip it in the sugar. Then you take a big old bite.
You could take a bigger bite than that. Yeah. Good morning, Christian.
Good morning.
Welcome to the vlog. It's Thursday?
Yeah.
Is it Thursday? Keeping track of the days is harder than you think with that. But we are on our way to, where are we going? We're going on our way to the Marriott for our Synod/Region worship for this morning. We're excited to see a bunch of our friends today. And Christian, I don't know, he's looking for something in that bag. I don't know if
my sunglasses.
Did you
just doing that.
lose and or break another pair?
They're on my bed.
Oh, well, I'll believe it when I see it later in the day, folks.
Me too.
All right. Yeah, we'll see you at worship. Bye. We're gonna do more transitions in the vlog today. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, this is another one. See, right now we're on the escalator. And now we're in the ballroom for worship. It's that easy. All right, you gotta figure it out. Bye.
Probably the raves, like at night, like at nightlife. They're lit, they're lit. My favorite part of the week is seeing familiar faces, but also getting to meet so many new people.
My favorite has gotta be, like, at the beginning of the week, there was like the interactive, like, thing with like the all the inflatable stuff and the, you know, shop and the players. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, I know. Nice,
yeah, the giant room full of stuff. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that.
The music, it's been super good.
Nice.
Been jamming.
I like the gathering and like hearing the emotional speakers.
Yeah.
Music and speakers.
The people.
What's our favorite being with everybody and knowing that we're all Lutherans is really nice.
Oh, and we also you're precious before you prove it.
We just finished worship. You saw that. Dan, good job.
Dan did a great job.
Good job, Dan.
I was there.
It was great. All right, now we're gonna go do a photo scavenger hunt and get some lunch.
Goose chase,
That's what
I'm
we
starving.
need. Yeah, I'm ready for some lunch.
Ready for some good
We'll
lunch.
see you there too. Shyla, this is how you do a transition. Rah! That wasn't a real one though. This is the real one. Alright, it's raining, so... It's raining, man. Hallelujah.
I did that in the talent show.
So we're
Wait, hold on. You sang that in the talent show?
What? No, the baseball team like danced for it.
Oh, can you break us off a quick move?
It was like boom, 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 and then boom.
That's a dance. That's a dance, ladies and gentlemen.
Today. We had a lot of fun at the regional worship with all of our friends because we haven't seen them all week. Good night.
Are you excited for anything tomorrow?
I'm super excited for breakfast
Yeah.
Public transportation.
and public transportation.
Yeah. Right, Riley? Alright, thanks, Riley.
Bye. See ya.
We found Ben! It's Ben! Hey, buddy! Bye, Ben! We missed the light because we were hugging Ben. It was worth it.
Ben has the best hug I think ever.
He does.
He's up there with Cole Huth.
He has the best hugs. He has some of the best laughs I've ever heard.
So true.
That's true. His laugh does evolve.